Okay, guys, welcome. Now, let's take a look at our gold analysis for the day. We want to see where our gold will be moving. So basically, you need to stick to the end to actually get this analysis properly. So we would analyze it from the weekly time frame downward to the 1 hour time frame, and we will show how to actually place this trade. Zoom it out on weekly time frame, kind of like a ranging move. First of all, we're actually on an uptrend move. I think this was an uptrend move since 2015. We've actually been going bullish. So of recent 2020, 2022, we got to this end, a bit 2020, sorry, we got to this peak, right, on this weekly time frame. We got to this peak and we had a drop on this our gold. We had a drop at this level, and again we saw the rise up, came again, we had this movement upward. So basically it actually got to our highest point again, which is about 2022. So we highlighted here as our resistance level. So once it got to this our peak, we we had a drop again. Now that we are on this drop, we've highlighted two level. The first one up is our resistance. The downward here is the support level. So basically, once the price comes to the support level, we tend to see it to rise up to the resistance level, and once it goes up to the resistance level, we tend to see it to drop to the support level. Now let's see it this way. This was a movement upward. There was actually a movement upward. You saw at this level, we had a pullback at this level on this gold. So after the pullback, right, we had a breakout of this level, and guess what? The price came again to test this level on this our gold. So this is actually a key level where it has reacted two times. We saw it again happen to this level. We saw it shoot to this level, see it, and it rose up again. So we saw it again, came to this level again. This is why we had this huge week on the weekly time frame, and guess what? Again, the price came to this level and we had a push up, and now it is at this level. What we are expecting again on this gold is actually a rise up. So basically, weekly time frame, we are expecting a bullish move, kind of like a push up on this our gold to our USD, which is XAU USD. So we are expecting a bullish move. Now let's analyze it from this recent movements. Now we'll see it from this recent movement. This recent movements, once it got to our ICL where we had this drop, we see that we are on a bearish move. See it this way. This was an impulse move. Impulse move downward was made here. We had a correction, another impulse move breaking the previous lows. This was the previous lows that it broke out from. Then we saw the level came to test this level where we actually broke out, broke from it, tested it, and we had another drop again, breaking the previous low. Then we had a pullback again at this level where we had a breakout from seats. We actually had a breakout from this level and we had another drop. So basically, we are on a bearish move on this weekly time frame standpoint. If you want to trade it on the weekly time frame standpoint, you have to actually short this this gold. We have to actually look for A to enter this short. We have to short it. So now we want to see where our price will be moving, which is on the 15th. We want to see where our price will be moving for the next day on the 15th. So we would scroll down to the 30 time frame. Now let's start our analysis from here. So to make it faster, I will start our analysis from here. I don't want to start it from the top. We'll start it from here where I just highlighted, making it faster. So from here, we are actually on a bearish move. Basically, this rally movement we are seeing here that I just marked is actually a pullback level on our weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. This is the level I just highlighted. You saw that we are actually on a bearish move on the weekly time frame. So this was a pullback level. So this is why we have it here on this daily time frame. So this impulse move going up. Now we are on a drop. On this recent move, we are actually bearish. Take a look at it. Impulse move downward, a correction, an impulse move again, and we add a correction. What we are expecting again is another impulse move downward again on this gold. So basically, if you have to analyze it, we are still expecting this gold to actually drop and possibly break these lows on this daily time frame. If you look at this daily time frame, our previous lows, if you see it here, this was our previous lows. Then we had a pullback. So we are now expecting another drop again to break below the previous lows. So about yesterday, we actually had the bearish move. Today too, we are having the bearish move. So tomorrow also, we very much likely to open and close bearish, and possibly break these lows we are all expecting for. Now that is our price. So where do you think we are possibly trying to go to? I probably think it should have we should have that drop. We are currently trading at 1696, so it depends on actually when you open this trade. So as of recent, we are trading at 1696. Let us see if this gold we actually drop to take out these lows, this huge wick here. You can see, if you look at the gold, you see this huge wick. You can see, let's see if the price can actually take out the lows. So we still have about 151 pips more drop to go on this gold USD. So on this daily time frame, let us try and grab about 150 pips on this gold. So that's the wick should be around the lowest wick. This huge wick here we are seeing here is 180. So we are currently trading at 1696. So let's hope our gold drops to 1680. Now to actually place this trade, we would roll down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is a time frame to actually place the trade. So this is for our time frame. So basically, this is actually we are actually going bullish, right? So this is it, right? This was an impulse move, right? We had a correction, impulse move, correction. So yeah, was actually going up. We can see that we're actually having this bullish movement upward, only for our price to now drop and break below these lows. It fails to give us that bullish move around this low. This higher lows here. This was the higher lows here, so it fails to give us that bullish move upward. It drops again and it fails to give us that bullish move upward. So basically, two previous higher lows has been broken, which means we are now on a bearish move. We are to look to actually short this. Now this one, for our time frame, we would want to look for one thing to actually short it. Let us short it to this lows we just talked about, which is about this huge candlestick we are seeing here, which is about 168. Let's say 168. Let's say 1680 or 1688. We'll take it as 1688. So if you want to place this trade now or this 4-hour time frame, I like some key level here. We saw this key level. We saw the price came to this level and it pushes up. It came to this level again and we saw it bounce up before breaking out of this level. So you can see it come to this level and reacted multiple times. We saw the price came to these lows, our lower lows here. This is our lowest point here. The price came to this level and we saw it dropped, came to this level again, dropped. We saw it again, come to this level again, it dropped. See it again, come to this level and again it dropped. So basically, we've highlighted here as our resistance level. We would want to try and predict where the price will be moving for the next day. So here we'll be taking it as our resistance level, while we will now be taking this low as our support level. So see it this way. Price came to this level and we saw this huge wick up, it pushes up. Price come to this level again, we saw this huge wick. So basically we are expecting the price to come down to this level to take out this our candlestick wick. After it, we'll be expecting a bullish move again on this gold. So basically gold, I wanted to actually range with it. This gold now we are currently trading at 1696 or 1695, anyone. So once this gold actually drop to 1688 or 1680, then you should consider to go long on this this gold on this our gold. So we are expecting to go long to take out this highs to our resistance level. Now to actually place this trade, if you want to actually enter this trade, you have to wait for multiple break of structure upward, possibly on the 15-minute time frame, on the 20-minute time frame or 30 minutes time frame. So when you roll down to your 30 minutes time frame and you are seeing multiple break of structure upward, probably impulse move upward and a correction, another impulse move upward, and it's starting to give us that impulse move, and possibly price breaks above this highs, then I'll tell you, when price breaks above this ice, we tend to see it come to test it, then we see another impulse, then we can actually entitled to go long on this gold. So basically, if you want to go long on this gold, wait for this price to give us multiple break of structure upward on the 30 minutes time frame. So once you see multiple break of structure upward on the 30 minutes time frame, then it is now time to go long on this XAU USD. If not, we continue to go bearish on this gold. So 1 hour time frame still show us that we are still on a bearish move. So if you want to go long, it is not a time, because this 1 hour time frame is still bearish. See it from here, impulse move downward, a correction, another impulse move here, add a correction, and guess what, we are having another impulse move downward. So let's see that impulse move kind of drop. Let's see if it will take out this week here we just saw, which is about 1688. The price can actually go, have that drop, it take out this our huge week, then we're very much likely to start seeing that multiple break of structure upward on the 30 minutes time frame. Then we can now go long, and let's see if the price will actually take out this highs on the 1 hour time frame. So that is the analysis.